Hello all. On here a few seconds early, so we'll let some people join the room. Once again, we'll go ahead and try to stay on topic, and if you have any comments or any questions, please post them in the chat, or even better, please post them on the Facebook announcement page there in the comment section if you have any questions or concerns. So we'll just wait about a minute here, about 30 seconds to a minute here for anyone to join in. As you can see, we'll be talking about insurance. So we'll get this started here in about 10 seconds. All right, hope everybody's having a great Thursday. We're going into a Labor Day weekend, so hope you all are booked if that's what you're wanting to be. If you're wanting to be on vacation and spend it with your family and take a little time to relax, and we hope that you can do that as well. All right, so what we'll be talking about today is, do you need insurance for your photo booth business? Coming back from a photography background here, I have my own little business. Yes, I do have insurance. First of all, the gear is expensive. Second of all, you never know what can happen, so it definitely is safe. In a short, brief answer, do you need insurance for your photo booth business? I would say yes. And one of the top reasons is it means that you're taking your business seriously. So the nice thing about it is when people do ask about insurance, if you're able to answer right away yes, or if you can tell people, look, I'm fully insured for all events, then it shows that you're serious and that you have all of your ducks in a row. So definitely for the price, which we'll go over a little bit in a little bit later in the feed, it's definitely worth it to have insurance. Okay, so going on to the next topic here, why would you need insurance? Well, insurance will basically cover not only your equipment, which you paid a lot of money for in case anything happened, but you'll also be covered in case somebody trips over something, maybe liability reasons. And in fact, a lot of venues will require you, if you're someone doing business at one of their venues, you're a contractor, a DJ, a photographer, they are going to require that you show proof of insurance. So a certificate showing what you're covered for would be something that they are going to ask for many times. So it'll be good that if you have that available. From time to time, they'll actually have you add them on for certain coverages, which you'll have to go and contact your insurance provider, have them added on, and they'll send you something over probably in an email right away. As far as why, well, there's two types of insurance that you should be looking at here: liability and comprehensive. Now, liability is probably more important because it protects you, protects your personal items, your personal income from being sued and having to come out of pocket to pay for damages in case anyone does want to take you to court or ask for some type of money for some kind of maybe mistake or accident that happened. The next side is comprehensive. Just like a vehicle, you have liability and comprehensive. Comprehensive will protect your equipment and your gear in case anything happens. You all are booked from weekend to weekend, and it's really important that if something happens to your gear, you're able to get a check right away, settle faults and everything like that later. If you're trying to take someone to court, it's going to take a long time, and you can't be without your business equipment. So definitely a good thing to have insurance. As we went over here, many venues do require insurance. So for the price, like I said, which we'll go over, it's definitely worth it. Now, some of you are DJs. If you're a DJ, will my DJ insurance cover my photo booth? And a small answer, yes, it will, as long as your DJ equipment is there with it at the time. If you are doing a photo booth business and a DJ business and you just go out and do only your photo booth business at that time and something happens, your DJ insurance will not cover it. Definitely, consider that when you're picking out the insurance. Event insurance. Now, sometimes when someone does book you, your services, the DJ, you can talk to them about event insurance, which covers everybody that needs to get paid in case something happens. We never know what's going to happen. And so look into event insurance and being able to talk to customers and clients about that. And that will cover a lot of issues that may come up as well. All right, moving on to the next here. Okay, so going on to the next thing here, price. Price $75 a year for about $10K in equipment. So not a bad price. Thing about it here is You can go to a site called the Photo Booth Association, and I'll go ahead and share that screen right now here. Okay. All right. So this is the photoboothassociation.com, and this will go over some of the insurances that are available to you. Let me go ahead and check some message. Okay, looks like we have a message here, but that'll go into the Facebook chat here. So, Photo Booth Association. We've got general liability and coverage, starts at $99 annually. Each additional photo booth is only $28 annually to extend that coverage. $1 million per occurrence, $2 million aggregate, $2 million per occurrence, $2 million aggregate available. Property equipment damage, about $55 a year. Employee crime coverage, about $75. So as you can see, very affordable. Most likely with one event, you'll be able to pay for your insurance for the year and you'll be covered. So I believe they offer discounts at times. A good thing is to go over to the Photo Booth Association, check that out, check out the information. I'm sure they have a number, they actually do, a 1-800 number at the bottom if you need to call them about any information. All right, so we'll go ahead and switch back over here. And that should about cover it here. So once again, we highly recommend it here, along with all of your licenses and permits that you may need. But definitely look into insurance if you haven't done so yet. Thank you very much for joining. If there is any comments, leave them in the comment section on Facebook. Please like the post. And thank you. See you again tomorrow.